There is no Nigerian given the same opportunity that they give Alhaji Dangote that will not be the richest in the world. Only one person supplying cement over 200 million Nigeria. No wonder he slept and wake up. From 2,500 naira, he carried the cement to enter 5,000 naira, 4,900, which is over 100% profit. And it is a big sin, and nobody is talking in Nigeria. He's bargaining as the richest in Africa without knowing. He's not even working hard. It's just by government. Maybe you think you are not buying cement, it doesn't affect you. Or your landlord go put money for house, it will affect you. And once accommodation is expensive, every other thing in the country will not work. I don't even know why some rich African, especially the Nigerian, no get brain. If you go to the Western world, Amazon, Brigade, all those people, they pack their money, they use and they develop the country, they make things to be easier and smooth. Dangote will say he be rich, come try to they suppress the people. Why you not go be rich? Even if you say na in best side, now you then carry all the allocation and everything they give you the person. You think that the person will not be rich? Or you think it is by working hard? If it is by working hard, which effort have you made? Which effort have you made? I used to celebrate you as an African richest. I'm even one of your fans. But at this very moment now, you don't even consider the poor. You don't even consider the masses. You just wake up. I don't even blame you. I blame the Nigerian government. If they have legalized license, if you want to make cement, come to government, take your license, go and produce cement. Price of cement will not be more than 1,000. I swear from this place I am, a bag of cement, it is sold for 300 naira. And their cement is even more classic, more strong, more solid than the one you are using in Nigeria. Even at rate of 2,005, some masses cannot buy. You just carry and go up. Don't make us see you as APC government, because this APC government, we don't see them finish. So I'm calling upon you, Aliko Dangote, to do something and reduce the price of that cement immediately. Otherwise, we go put you where we put APC government. Your pride and your joy, now we will be masses, so we will be common Nigeria. Because you cannot celebrate yourself. You cannot cram yourself. You cannot make yourself for who you are. Now we will become on Nigeria. They congratulate you. They push you. They use you for comedy. They use you for music. That means this man can just wake up one day and say a bag of cement is 500,000. Yes, of course now, because nobody they question him. Now only and they monopolize him now. He don't have any other people to contest with him. I beg, don't keep quiet. Don't say you are not using cement. Even if you are not using cement, you are staying in somebody's house. If the person cannot maintain the house, if the person cannot build, automatically the house rent will increase. What will the common man in the market do? What will the common man in the market do? Even if you are finished building and you are not staying in somebody's house, your family may need to buy, your children may need to buy, your relative may need to buy. Nobody that does not use cement. Cement now like water. Everybody they use water, everybody they use cement. We cannot buy cement at rate of 4,900. It is much, it is condemnable, it is crooked, it is evil. Instead, let the federal government of Nigeria release license. At least I have like 50 Igbo people that will come and take the license. 50 Yoruba people will come and take the license. 50 Hausa people will come and take the license. Cement will be Barakata, cement will be everywhere. At least a bag of cement will come back to 1,000. It affects a lot of people, and some people cannot speak, some people cannot talk. They use my own platform as a comedian to discharge the whole information. That man cannot be celebrated in Africa, whereas he is now killing the people. Wake up overnight and hang the price of the cement. I bet share this message in case you are meeting me for the first time. My name is Ambassador.